Hello everyone! So, oh my gosh, this video is like 2 weeks late. Sorry about that. I've been working a lot. That's basically all that's been happening in my life lately, and then on the weekends I just sleep, so it's, you know, very exciting. What we are doing today is my annual tradition since like 2012 of doing a Sakura haul. Let's go ahead and, following tradition, put my badge on. So this is what the badges looked like this year. So let's go ahead and put this on. This year the straps were Funimation straps. This was the first year I actually utilized the strap. Oh, I guess you can't really see it. That's okay. We're here in spirit. We're at SakuraCon in spirit. Also, as per tradition, let's check out what's in the swag bag. So this year we have the bright orange Crunchyroll swag bag again. This is the same as last year. Not sure about the year before. The first thing as always is the classic guidebook. This has the full, something in there. This has the full schedule. It has information about all of the guests and all the different panels going on. It has all the entries for the art contest. I love looking through these. It has information on all the dealers and maps and stuff. This is just great for also if you want to, I never get autographs. These are just great, like, sort of collectible items. I still have all of mine, I believe. Love them. They're so nice. They're just so nice. And then I also, in here, they have a little advertisement about a film series that was happening that had different Ghibli and other animated films playing through April 19th to 24th. Of course, that's over now, but that was during the convention, so if you wanted to check out a movie, you could. And a few more things in here. So we have some advertisements from Stonebridge Publishing, or Stonebridge Press. Looks like they have sort of informative books about the history of manga and anime. Oh my gosh, they gave out one of these last year. I remember I had the cover on my wall for a while. So this is a little mini, it says Tokyo Pop Guide. It looks like it's just a little guidebook about things in like Akihabara. No, this is Ikebukuro, just kidding. So like different stores and stuff. Oh my gosh, I didn't even look at this until now. Wow, listen out. Okay, and then the last thing, of course, is the pocket guide. This has the full schedule in it, as well as I think a map in the back? Maybe not, maybe. I actually don't really use these anymore. I used to, of course, use them hardcore. Now I use the guidebook app. That's a pretty easy thing to use instead, and you can make a schedule for yourself, which I love. Little scheduling dweeb. So that's everything, I believe. Yep, everything that was in the swag bag this year, which is pretty par for the course. They no longer have the scarecrow stickers. Is that like super old now? And I just like have forgotten how long ago that actually was, where they would have the scarecrow stickers in every bag. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay. So I didn't shop too much. I did buy some things, as you may have seen from my Eat a Bag video or other content. I'm trying not to buy, as I'm wearing this giant thing I bought, trying not to buy too much stuff that I don't think I'm gonna get good use out of, so I can't just have a ton of stuff everywhere, basically. So I didn't buy any figures this year. For a long time it was a tradition for me to buy one big figure every year at a convention. I don't do that anymore. Since this is the big thing that's on my body, I finally bought a Kigurumi. I've been thinking about buying one of these like every year I've been at SakuraCon. I like look at them and I'm like, man, yeah, those look really comfortable. Those look really cute. Never bought one. I think in the past I've always like not loved the animal selection because I've always had weird taste in favorite animals. I was like, man, you never really cosplay on Sundays. You always just go for casual stuff anyways. You might as well get something that'll be like casual and kind of cute and still go with like the Japanese culture aspect of the convention, and you can buy it here. And then they had a lamb one, and I'm like, yeah, okay, my name's Mary. Mary is a little lamb now, and it's really cute. So it has this like fluffy, sort of fleecy material, so soft, and then has like a plain white belly, which is gonna get dirty, but we'll ignore that. Has a little red collar with a bell, again, so cute. And then up at the top we have our little antlers and ears, cute little face. The inside of just the hood is lined with pink, not the entire thing. Yeah, and I love wearing this with my big glasses. I think it's very fun, very cute. I liked when I was cosplaying Lotte, when I had the freckles too. I thought it was like a very, very cute look. But yeah, so this was I think $60. I don't remember what booth I bought it from exactly. I'll put the brand down here. I'll try and do that for everything I've bought. It's really just a classic Kigurumi. Super comfortable. What can I say? I love wearing this. It's really warm right now though, now that it's getting to summer, but this is just like really nice. I'm probably gonna edit videos in this and just, instead of like using 50 blankets, just have like a body blanket. It's great. And then, okay, let's go on. I guess I only bought one thing from the dealer's haul. Who is she? So, I think I only actually bought one thing from the dealer's haul, which is like fine. I didn't spend a ton of time in the dealer's haul. I guess maybe on Sunday I did. Neither of my friends that I was with were like super interested in buying anything, and I was like, you know, I don't really need anything. One thing though that I love is reusable towels, of course, instead of paper towels. This was actually from, is it Kinokuni? Which is a Japanese bookstore. They have one in Seattle and they have a couple other like on a nationwide scale. Yeah, Kinokuniya. So this is a Kiki's Delivery towel. Okay, so I love Kiki's Delivery. It's probably like really high up there for my favorite Ghibli movie. My favorite is The Cat Returns, which has like no merch apparently, which is fine. I'm like, if this was a Muta like blank towel, I probably would like buy 5. Not really. I love Gigi, I love cats, and okay, Kiki's Delivery are like the millennial story basically. God, what a good movie. What a good movie. Super cute, just a super cute, simple cat print towel. I'm gonna probably put this in my kitchen or maybe up in my bathroom with my dinosaur shower curtain. Will match well. Yes, but yeah, this is just super cute, basic wash towel. It was $10. I don't regret this at all. I love this. Oh, and then one thing I got for free because Yen Press was there. They always have a booth there. They always have free stuff going on. We have a little fruits basket Yuki notepad. Ooh, where's focus? Right there. It's just cute. It's simple. Who didn't love Fruits Basket when they were young? Like, gosh, that was probably like one of the first manga series I ever got really into, and one of the first animes I ever watched. I haven't started the new, like the reboot. I need to watch it. Goals for this week, watch Fruits Baskets. Yes, so that was free, so I didn't even pay for that. And those were the 2 things I got in the actual dealer's haul. Next we're gonna move over to Artist Alley, which I don't have much comment about. It's just all... It's kind of in a shitty location still. I don't know how the artists feel about it, so I feel like that's what matters most in the grand scheme of things, is if it like works for them, it's fine. It's just so crowded in there. If you've been to Sakura-con, you probably know now they used to have the Artist Alley in the same like space as the dealer's hall. They just kind of split it. Apparently some dealers were kind of shitty about it. I don't know, there's a lot happening with Sakura-con in terms of some gossip. I'm not going to talk about that here, but yeah, it's just like Artist Alley's not in a great location, which sucks because it makes it so much more stressful to go in there, and unless there's like a specific artist I'm looking for, a specific thing I'm looking for, I just like don't want to bother. I don't want to be in there. It's really hot. It's really hard to move around. If someone asks for pictures, I either have to like take up space and feel shitty or like walk all the way to the end of, like there's just like, which I mean, it's kind of hard to take pictures in any like dealer selling space, so that's like, I mean, just the nature of the beast, but still, not fun, not great. But let's get into what I bought in there. So, I talked about this in my Chibi-Chibi-Con haul video. Xylan, oh my gosh, I'm gonna pronounce that all sorts of wrong, had a really cute Grookey pen, and I really regretted not buying it, and they were there at Sakura-con again, so I got my little Grook, and I haven't even taken it out of the packaging. But yes, isn't this just like the cutest thing ever? I love them so much. I love my girl and my group. Yes, so That's really cute. I love it. So I'm glad I got that. My best friend got her Kiki's delivery service one because my best friend loves Kiki. I thought about this for so long. It was Sunday and I was like, okay, like I saw this booth earlier and I've been just thinking about it for a while because I love their work. And it's all handmade plushies. Plushies, I don't know how to call them. And they do commissions for anime characters. So good. So good. Check them out. Please follow them everywhere. They're so good. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, that's really cute. Oh no. And like many other people my age, I've been taking care of a lot of houseplants lately. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, I want to put him next to my little houseplants. So here is my friend. Isn't this so cute? Oh my god. Oh, he looks so good on camera too. He's so photogenic. So he has a little stand with him, which I love. So he can hang out by my plants. He's so cute. But yeah, there were two. There was this one and then there was one. I mean, they have a ton of really cute plushies. But they had this one and then I think they had one that was a slightly darker green or slightly lighter green. I don't remember which one I ended up getting, but it's this one. I think he was $40 or $35. He was definitely the most expensive thing I bought. So this was like my big figure instead of buying a plastic figure. All right, so now we're going into my folder, which I haven't opened this up yet again. So this is more stuff I got in Artist Alley, which includes, so oh my gosh, I haven't brought this up yet. Well, I kind of did, but during this week we were cosplaying on Friday and Saturday from Little Witch Academia. My best friend Callie put together the costumes for us because my sewing machine is out. It is gone. It's been in maintenance for like 4 weeks and it's still not back. But I found this beautiful, beautiful print of the main three that we were cosplaying from Little Witch Academia, which is just gorgeous. So I'm gonna frame this and put it up somewhere. I don't know where. What a beautiful print though. I love that. So the next few things I got are all from the artist Clover. Oh my god, I can't read. I'm so sorry that I am a failure. This artist. From them, I got some planner stickers. So I am a sticker fiend. And then a collection of really, really beautiful herb prints. So this is rosemary. And then we have English lavender. Oh, chamomile, my babe, mint, and so it's four prints. Yes, lovely. I want to frame those and put them up probably on my wall in here, but maybe also in the living room near my plants. I don't know, I'll get my roommate's opinion. So I'll probably go find frames. I'm gonna go to Value Village today maybe and find some frames for all these prints so I can put them up soon because they're very pretty and I don't want to just hide them away. And so that was my my SakuraCon, what I bought this year. Again, not that much compared to some past years. Still like a fun little haul. I think this video is still probably way too long, so thank you all for trooping through it. Photos of our cosplay should be coming up this week. This week I should get them uploaded. I haven't had time to edit any of them and it's a lot to go through, which sucks because somehow editing video is so much easier for me than editing photo because photos are like such a one at a time sort of thing. Also, I have a plant on my desk now. We'll see how they do. They were really struggling where I had them placed before, so I'm thinking this is like gonna be an okay amount of light for them. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm sorry my last 4-ish videos have all been convention related. I don't have any more cons to go to for a while, so like you don't have to worry about that anymore. And I will get back onto some Royal Chaos and other videos as soon as I can again. If you have a convention you think I should go to, please put information about it in the comment box below. How was your SakuraCon? Did you buy anything fun? Also, I'm sorry I pronounced it SakuraCon. I'll have my vlog in the end screen, so if you want to check out my SakuraCon vlog, you totally can. You totally should. And oh my gosh, also our Little Witch Academia cosplay video. This is too late in the video, no one's gonna watch this far, but if you haven't watched it, watch the video I made for Little Witch Academia. It's so cute. It's really cute. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!